Hi everybody and welcome to 2019. Well, now that the new year is here, I noticed that over the holidays I managed to gain a couple pounds because I was cheating on my low-carb diet. And I was eating all kinds of candy and cookies and cake and had a few drinks and things like that. So needless to say, that stuff is not low carb. Now that it's a new year, it's time to get back on the diet and get down to where I was before the holidays. So what I'm doing is I'm looking for foods at Trader Joe's that are less than 10 grams of carbs, that are easy to make and taste good, and you don't have to add anything else to them except maybe some butter or oil to stir fry them. So I found this, which is the fire roasted vegetables with balsamic butter sauce, and these only have 5 grams of carbs and 1 gram of fiber. And also they have bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, baby carrots, green beans, onions, mushrooms, and with the infused balsamic butter sauce. And they're easy to make. All you do is you can microwave them or you can stir fry them. Either in oil, or I like to use butter because I find that oil spatters all over the place and stinks up the house. So I'm going to try stir frying these in butter, and let's see how they taste. Okay, so here's the bag, and the instructions are really pretty easy. So it says all you have to do is heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a pan. So I put a tablespoon of butter in there because the oil spatters all over. And then you just add the vegetables with 2 tablespoons of water, stir and simmer for 4 to 5 minutes at medium-high heat until hot. So that sounds pretty easy. So I'll put this pan on the burner and let's get it started. All right, next thing it says to do is to add the fire roasted vegetables and 2 tablespoons of water. So I'm going to cut these open. All right, I got the vegetables in the pan and I added 2 tablespoons of water. So then it just says to cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes until it's hot. So that's pretty easy. All right, they're all done. That was very easy. It only took about 4 or 5 minutes. And this is how they look. They're nice, beautiful color. So they smell really good. I really like the balsamic smell. So let's see how they taste. For something that's as easy to make as this, I'm really pretty happy with it. I think I would definitely buy this again. The balsamic sauce is very tasty, and you know, the tomatoes have a lot of flavor, and everything is really cooked very well. I haven't tried a bell pepper yet, so let's see how that is. That's good. Yeah, I think I'm going to add this to my list of regular things to buy at Trader Joe's. So for something that's only 5 grams of carbs, you know, you can't beat it. So I'm going to highly recommend it. So thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to see more videos like this, and we'll see you next time.